Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, I will share the certification courses launched by TCS. First of all, these courses are totally free. Second thing is many students don't know about these courses. Third thing is from your mobile only you can complete these courses. Fourth is after completion of these courses you can earn a certificate and you need not to devote much time for the completion of this certificate. So if you want to develop new skills and want to grow in your career, then you should definitely consider these certification courses launched by TCS by the name of Career Edge. Especially if you are an early working professional or want to change your career in the IT sector or want to learn the skills related to the technology and IT industry, then I would highly recommend you guys to complete these certification courses. So there are 5 certification courses available. First is TCS iON Career Edge Young Professional course. Second is TCS iON Career Edge Digital Teacher course. Third is TCS iON Career Edge The Art of Question Paper Construction. Fourth is TCS iON Career Edge Digital Teacher in Hindi. And fifth is TCS iON Career Edge Sustainability Development Goal for Educators. So here you can see this course is of 2 weeks and you need to invest 7 to 10 hours a week, and it will be in the English language. The course will be in the online format. So if you are an undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate, early working professional or working professional, then also you can complete this course. So here overall course syllabus will consist of 15 modules. In that you can learn how to enhance your verbal skills and non-verbal communication skills. You can learn how to prepare for make engaging and effective presentations, and you can know the importance of soft skills to achieve better results. You can receive strategic insights from TCS business experts to make a head start in your career. You can understand how to create a strong resume and cover letter. You can know why group discussions are conducted and learn to participate actively. Understand how to attend and excel in corporate interviews. You can learn how common business etiquette followed in corporate setting. You can learn how to craft a professional email with impactful content and a strong subject line. You will understand etiquette to be followed during a work-related telecall. You will understand the principles and concepts of accounting with an overview of financial statements. You will develop a foundation IT skills by listening to TCS tech experts, and you can understand the history and definition of artificial intelligence and the different approaches to artificial intelligence. You will understand what are the agents, specifically intelligent agents and rational agents, the concept of bounded, rationally and various agent architectures. So here you can see this is the first course, it is available. Second course will be the digital teacher course. So in that course you will be introduced to the world of digital technology. You can be an effective digital teacher. You can reimagine your classroom with digital tools and technologies, and you can enhance teaching with the latest trends in digital teaching and can get the tips on digital wellness and troubleshooting. Now coming to the third course is TCS iON Career Edge The Art of Question Paper Construction course. So this is a 15-day digital certification course, and especially it is beneficial for the new teachers who are still learning how to design effective assessment tools. So if you are a new teacher, then this course can be beneficial for you. With this course, you will be able to learn the basics of educational evaluation, setting educational targets, assessing based on learning objectives, classification and characteristics of learning objective based questions, long answer type questions and short answer and very short answer type questions. That everything you will be able to know with the help of this course. Now coming to the fourth course is the Sustainability Development Goals course. So this course is especially beneficial for the business leaders, professionals, students and young professionals, and anyone who is interested in learning more about sustainability and corporate social responsibility. This course is specifically designed in such a way to help you to understand the sustainable development goals and how they can be achieved through business and individual action. Now coming to the fifth course is Digital Teacher in Hindi. So with the help of this course, you will be able to learn the digital tools to teach and learn teaching strategies for the digital world, then methods and practices to deliver an effective digital class, tools and techniques for digital assessments, analytics to drive learning specialization. So if you want to enroll any of this course, then you simply need to visit the TCS website and create an account. Once you have created an account, you can search for the course and you can enroll in it. The link of all the 5 courses I am sharing in the description box, so you can check with that. If you have any doubts, any questions related to this, then you can let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.